hours ba? Kamusta? After 26 hours, proklama na rin kayo. Bakit niyo po sinimulan sa mensaheng Let's All Heal?
Well, before I answer that, again, now it's official. Chichi and I and most of the Yormes Choice who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo't lola. I love you. Mga nanay tatay natin na senior citizen at siyempre yung ating mga batang Maynila for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together. The people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of Manila. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. But for the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours.
Gusto ko yung second yun. Yung pag-usapan
baliwala
natin.
Yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years naghintay ang taong bayan. So, yung paghintay namin 26, wala yun. Maliit na bagay. But when I said, we should start healing ourselves, simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, ni Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of arc of random kindness sa ating isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung bati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila magkikita sa finals. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So we have an obligation to do in the coming 6 weeks. We will prepare, and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why gusto ko, we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Ako, okay na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoken. And that we respect. And I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi and I and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it, and we start moving on and we move forward, and hopefully with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Mabalik ang kaaliwalasan, kalinisan, peace and order situation of the city, kapanatagan ng pamumuhay, and Chichi leading the City Council, presiding over the session, will come up with her idea with regard to how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city, and we will help.
Para sa turnover ba, before you officially take your seat in June?
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Will you be the first to reach out?
Now I'm reaching out.
Ito na yun.
I'm reaching out, and if there is a chance, of course. Why? You know, at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city. And I am obliged to, do service for them. That is a job.
Yorme, dati nyo rin po naging vice mayor.
Yes, yes.
Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you
I don't know, I've never heard.
she conceded already.
Past 3 o'clock.
She did.
At 3 o'clock,
And
okay.
then,
Thank
you
you
are
naman.
also calling for healing. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her?
Yes.
Para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maris, for asking such question. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. Many times. Even with the former President Joseph Erap Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lim. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lim noon paano mariresolve yung peace and order. Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so if we were allowed to be there. Anytime ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong bakokang sa paa dahil sa pagkakadapa sa buhay. Maraming dapa na, marami ng stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, I think we should continue to value o pagpapahalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapahalaga, higit na pagpapahalaga sa kinabukasan. Yes, I will.
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila?
Excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang back to zero. But so to the people who are watching, sa aking mga kababayan, pumanatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So
We'll bring back the certainty, order, and cleanliness in our city.
you're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. And even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norms. That's the normal way to do it, so that we can move on. Kasi, this is not about us anymore. It is about the people of Manila. So, if we really love our people that we ought to serve, I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who lives in the city.
How about your son, number one councilor?
No.
Ano na?
No, thank you mga taga-Tondo Ni-request ko lang manalo ginawa niyo pang number. I'm really grateful. I'm happy for him. And I told him, naku anak, yari ka. Ibig sabihin talagang now you're given a chance. You have to prove yourself.
Following your footsteps.
Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, basta matuturuan kita kung paano mag-gobyerno. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa iyo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you as a person, in you, innate. Ano naman, makikinig. Maawain yun ano siya, ano ang puso rin niya, yung madali siyang matouch sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you are sympathetic or what you call empathic sa katayuan ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose being in public office? So I'm excited and happy for him. Congratulations, Joaquin.
Mayor, unang lilinisin sa Maynila.
Ayun, rekto, kanal, kanto nila, lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila, tampak talaga. Total tapos naman na ang kampanya. We're just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors of the garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingimi kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nagbuti. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan itong pinag-uusapan natin, hindi negosyo nila. It is sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, ng middle class at mayaman. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ang sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa buhay. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman pa ang mayor. Kaya mga bata, huwag niyo muna ako message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po ako mayor. Mayor-elect pala ako. Kasi marami ako na-receive na, yung ang tawag ito, Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you, I'll see you soon.
Vice Mayor,
Sure.
ina-expect mo ba na ganun kalaki yung makukuha mo?
Wala lang yun, to be honest, when I entered this, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope in people's lives. I didn't even think of the ending. Hindi ko inisip kung mananalo, matatalo, but importante po kasi sa akin na pag nandun at hawak ko ang mikropono sa entablado, pinapaalala ko gano'n sila kahalaga. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect anything. And I was just happy dun sa journey ko sa kampanya. And I'm happy because nakikita ko naman kahit paano nabubuhayan yung mga tao dun sa mga nasabi ko. And huwag sila mag-alala dahil kung ano man ang mga pinako namin ni Yorme, gagawin namin yan.
Vice Mayor, majority po ng mga konsehal na mahahalal ay Yorme's choice. Yung iba came from other parties. How open are you as presiding officer to take all of these suggestions in so you can craft good ordinances para sa mga taga-Maynila?
So you're asking if...
How open are you to brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makabuo kayo ng maayos na ordinansa?
Naniniwala kasi ako sa demokrasya, pati sa Pangulo. Naniniwala ako na importante nakikinig tayo sa bawat konsehal kung ano man ang input nila. And from there, we will be able to craft wise and intellectual and laws and ordinances. So I'm very open.
Pasensya na kayo ginabi kayo. I'll see you. Thank you.
Thank you.
for helping us to